What's up, everybody? FedRMP96 here, and I'm gonna show you how to make a cool looking, what's his name, avatar for your YouTube account channel thing. So yeah, firstly you're gonna need paint.net. Let's just open it up. It doesn't take too long to open, like Photoshop or something. So yeah, this is what you'll have. So then you'll need to go to your internet browser and go to my link, and you'll see it. So yeah, in description. If you want to do it like mine, so yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. So you'll have a few Pokemon here. Don't do this if you hate Pokemon. So yeah. For example, we're gonna go with, I don't know, Tyranitar. And yeah, you usually will, this will probably be the best choice, these two, three, whatever. These aren't too important, so yeah, let's just go save it as Dtar. Yeah, you see it's already downloaded, and you can exit your browser. Now go to your thing, click File, New, and 88 pixels by 88 pixels. Okay, so we have this here. Now we are gonna choose your colors. For example, I want green and black. Now go to your gradient tool, and you can zoom it in if you want, like 2 times or 1, whatever. Yeah, go to your gradient tool. I wanna go with it like this, so it's look cool, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty pro. You can choose your whatever shapes you want. You can, fucking mosquitoes. Sorry for that. And yeah, I chose it to be like this, and you can make a new layer if you want here. So yeah, now we need to insert a picture. No, forgot. Go here, and you saved it on your desktop probably, and yeah, you can import your picture now. Now go to this rectangle select, or sorry, or you can press Control S, whatever you want, and now click Control. When you select the picture you want, click Control C. Now we can go back to the layer here. Just click here, and you will see edit here. Just click paste into new layer and click on keep canvas size. Now you'll see it's big and ugly, so we do not want that. We need to make it smaller. For example, I want it to look like this. For example, of course. I'm doing this pretty, fast, so it won't look good, like the best, but whatever. You can do stuff with the effects here, and yeah. Now you probably wanna, what's his name? Put your account name here or something. So, or it's easy. Just go to the text thing. And for example, you want it down here. You want it white color, and choose your font. I don't know which font I want. There is a fuckload of fonts here, so I don't know. Let's go with this. No, this is too bold. Okay, I'll go to this. And you can change your text size here. You can change if you want it to be fat or something, but yeah, I do. It looks cool here. Yeah, I'll just type in Fedor. Well, it doesn't look very good, so I'll just change the color here. You can change it to, for example, red. Okay, so or blue, purplish. Purplish looks cool. Yeah. I think there's some effects here too. Yeah, but I don't want to mess with that. So yeah, that's basically it. Now you can zoom out, and it looks pretty cool. If you wanna save it, just go to File, Save As, and be sure to make it as a JPEG file. So yeah, name it as Avatar, and you can change the quality here. I think the base is 95, but I may make it to 99, so I don't know. And click OK. Flatten if you want. So, and it's installizing, and it's basically finished now. Your avatar is done. If you want to change effects or the layers or something, just I don't know. I don't give a crap, actually. So, and our avatar is now done. Let's go see it. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, if you want to upload it on YouTube, you probably know that, but you go to here on YouTube and change your, wow, that was laggy. Go here on youtube.com, go to I don't know, but when I run Camtasia and only Camtasia, it's like my internal is lagging. I don't know what the problem is. Whatever. You go here, my channel or account, I don't know, and you'll see the picture thing. So yeah, and that's basically it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. It helped, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you next time in another tutorial slash video slash LP stuff. I don't know. Peace.